Some quick tips for using prepositions. At. At is used for the specific points. For example, at 5 p.m., at the door. We use on for surfaces and days. On the table, on Sunday. Use in for enclosed places and months. In June. In the box. Common mistakes with preposition. He is good in maths. He is good at maths. I am waiting since 2 hours. I have been waiting since 2 hours. She married with a doctor. She married a doctor. Prepositions are always followed by a noun or pronoun, not verb. In a sentence, there is a verb, we end it with ing. For example, I am interested in cook. I am interested in cooking. She is good at dance. She is good at dancing. They talk about go to the zoo. They talk about going to the zoo. We are thinking of buy a house. We are thinking of buying a house. Friends, now let's play a quick game. Choose the right prepositions. Dog is the box. Option A, in. B, at. C, on. Perfect. The dog is in the box. Question number 2. We will meet Monday. Options are on, in, under. Correct. We will meet on Monday. The last question. She went the classroom. And options are under, into, next. Very good. You are right. She went into the classroom. I hope you learned a lot. Keep watching my videos for more lessons. Bye.